Karat Nongtung hima Kaei imship kade karat ka hima kabala Biang lut kikot kisla sa Kaei dang Donkam bandon ong Presiden Black Star sotun ubri Presiden jong ka senjuk rang basnong border area karat Nongtung ka bahap apo ka hima Kaei imship ha gajing kran bat kilat pathai ko bor hanong ba chlong hinin kasngi ki kli no sinchar chnong ha ga chatri jong ka senjuk kirang basnong border area karat Nongtung kilawan ha office trikam secretariat ha gajing khot jong menteri rang ba ka sarkar jilla konrat kongkal sangma Presiden kesenjuk orang Basnong ubah Black Star sotun uyathu bakjing kren bad ukonrat kongkal sangma ubri menteri rang ba sarkar jela kalong tangkawai kasur napdeng ki live honreu teli ki shnong ki bron ha khaput Meghalaya bad Assam khatpra teli ki don ha Meghalaya bad ki kwa bag sarkar MDA kan penrung sha Meghalaya banle cha jela Assam yathu ti orang Basnong Ubah Black Star sotun uyathu bagi khatpra teli ki shnong ki badei ha border Assam bad Meghalaya kamdei kenong kenti jong ki karbi kumbalong ha blok 2 namar karat Nongtung kadon ya kanong ba hasinong umat ka hap hapo ka hima Kaei hendre kisinong umat kala lech cha Assam yutu uti nong ilam kinong sinchar sinong susu ulaban bakarat Nongtung kala download ni kikot kisla lan ni kidulir ya kabala deb ban register ha Meghalaya om hajala Assam baro kikot kisla kidon ha Meghalaya kumta kajing trang jong pejba ketika than kaput bak sarkar Meghalaya kan kedup yaki ong uba Black Star sotun
Pi la da pingkeli long ba kanika right Nongtung kum bangala ong du mensua ba kanika right Nongtung ko badon live ku sa tuli kisnong kanika la don la register ke belada register hapo shalom lalu ki por ke mensua ya sakai pat ke bangin ong ba ngin nong don ki kot kisla nama ha belada ban register kanika right Nongtung hapo ka hapo kod ha shalom takamud ba sakai pat kita kot kisla ke Donkam Pingi keren baru si ketu kibreu ki keren ni kata blok 1 blok 2 kia pensyai ki pensuntu bakalai ni kata ia kata notification ka bak hat lai tarik April kat kandai spa san poi ngingim suntu su tengi mentang iwan be hine ba lakum nor katkum kanika hok nong kanti jongi gini ki ka cai badon nungtung ko badon hat ar ligi cai balada pin poi ma phi barok ki bakwa penting kata la phin poi hang tai posung mat ka karai Nongtung kadang don ya kata ka mat nong kenti ke belum kita ki khat arteli ki krum chukin ki mau ki betep ki ya ki sin chuki bayak mensua kadang tai posung mat dan sakai pat ka mungin pensisa ki saki sebo register ka sarkar Meghalaya ngilada jabat kita ki mau ba amusan ka ba kilong swai ki man swai ki la bu de ki spas nam ki man swai ki la don sakai pat kumin ai kita saki kide sarkar ki chumi jamatang le kren de ka basai tung le don lang tinggal yo bani slok ki chindon kambaro ngin pej pat se ko po ban kelem sungi ngila kerpat lu bakat bom perla ban pun pej ku sang ni ong ba suha ban ai no ya ka snong kide ki snong kasi kide ki snong ki badan hapo ka right Nongtung ngan subatai pi kumne naman ki spas nam ki man shwa ki kade ka snong ka subuh ka snong umat ka dai hak chandu chu kata ka hak lek snong te kade pat ka nong ba jong ka right Nongtung ki hapo ka right Nongtung ka don lai pu sautli ki snong te lai pu sautli ki snong ngidon hangri au sim chu ka right Nongtung Kidon lai pu sautli ki snong hapo ka right Nongtung te ya kita ki khat pratli ki snong pal asyat khat sya kni no sya ka sarkar Assam pi te hadu menta ko magi tip badu kani kapor ka mata le ki lakhot yangi kum ta ki baha blok tu ke jing sya kini ki khat pratli kim ha ma tu blok tu dengi ngiwan ban keren menta kalong ba ke jing kwa chui kalong ba kini ki khat pratli ki snong ni kam ba ya ka ba ka dega ki snong ki baha po ka right Nongtung hapo ka hima chung sim Kaei bat hapo ka jela Meghalaya te tang kata kijing kwa chungi namar ba habangi phaila dekin penhap ingi si Assam ngintip senom namar ngi degi ka culture ngi don shekasi ke ktin ke thli ngim lang bani kran baki debat ki kam ki chinga dei baki ngim don ki chinga dei teka bu i ki chinga ki ki pai ba nang sno tingwan halor kata kanu namar ngi degi khasi ngi dei ka dok snam khasi ting kwa he ba ki cekakan wan support jalan iya ka police game setai support ko lai ri te i simil start lai chuba ba yaman tahi nama ba ngin om ya pun kam su Tingin nom keren su ya kita ki AKA barok tingin ya sim no bet kampan pun bet no put sam tingin le put tang.
Today we had our representatives, the Sinjukki Rangbashnong and other traditional heads who have come from Block 2 area, and they had expressed concerns about the border dispute in Block 2, and they've submitted a memorandum where they have mentioned 18 villages that are there, which should be within Meghalaya, and they expressed their concerns about the last 50 years on how they have faced large number of challenges and difficulties because of the border dispute that's there in that area. After listening to their concerns, I have informed them that this government is very committed to resolving the border dispute, and that is the reason why we have moved forward in 6 of the areas, and we have signed the MOU after detailed consultation with the people, and the people's will has what has led to the resolution of the first 6 locations, and we are confident that we will be able to find a solution to the rest of the 6 locations also. But it's a process. It's something that we cannot say will happen today or tomorrow, but it will take time, and we have to move forward, and we have to allow the process to continue, and we have to consult and engage with all the stakeholders that are involved. And hence I informed them that in this visit of mine, when I had gone for the Niti Aayog meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself, we had a detailed meeting for a long time, and we have decided that we will be having the first meeting for the phase 2 within the next few days after the Independence Day. So exact date has to be finalized, but we will be meeting in Guwahati, and we will be forming the regional committees, and we will take the process forward for the second phase of the areas of differences. And as I said, that it's not a simple process. Things are much more complicated, and even Karbi Anglong District Council is involved, and hence we have to involve everybody in the discussion. And like we have done for the first phase, similarly in the second phase also, we will involve stakeholders, traditional heads, different councils, and more importantly the public in general, to be able to figure out how we could reach to the best possible solution by carrying everybody along with us. I informed to them that development is something that we should all welcome, and that based on the implementation of development schemes or central schemes, it does not determine which state it falls under. So whichever state may implement, development is important, but at the end of the day, that is not going to be a criteria for determining which area or which state that particular area falls under. So all these matters were discussed, and I'm sure that they have understood all the details, and of course you can hear from them also. And let me assure them and the entire state that this government is committed. As we have moved forward in the 6 areas in the first phase, we are committed to move forward in the next 6 areas also in the second phase.